biggest reason I see people not investing in auction properties is because they think you need to have all cash in order to buy them. And I'm here to tell you that that is not true, and we can actually finance these deals. So by the end of today's video, you're going to see exactly how much you actually need to invest in these properties and the type of financing that you can get in order to secure your first auction deal. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how much money do you actually need to invest in auction properties. This is the biggest misconception. A lot of people think that you need cash to buy these, which is totally not true. So I'm going to go ahead and break it down for you guys so you can visually see exactly how much a $200,000 house is going to cost you a $250,000, $300,000. Now to start off, most important thing is that you're going to have two different types of loans to choose from. We're going to have the fix and flip, which is one of my favorite investment loans, and you have traditional loans, which include USDA, VA, conventional, FHA. Now we're going to be focusing on the fix and flip loan because this is what's going to allow you to put down only 10% of whatever that house purchase cost is going to be. If we have a property that's going to cost us $200,000, let's say that's our winning bid, realistically, you're only going to have to put down $20,000 as your down payment for this. Now with that, of course, we also have our closing costs, which I roughly estimate about 8% of whatever our purchase price is going to be for all of our title fees, bank fees, lender fees. That means that the total amount that we're going to have to bring to the closing table for this deal to get done is roughly $36,000. For a $200,000 bid price, at 36 grand, that is definitely a good deal. And of course, if you ran your numbers right, this deal could make a really high ROI. And I only say this because this is a purchase price that I myself have done, and the return on the investment for a $36,000 down payment were absolutely insane. Now let's just say you're in a little bit of a more affordable market, which there are tons across the US, and your max bid is going to be $100,000. This is going to be a $10,000 down payment, plus your closing costs, which is going to be about $8,000. So in total for a deal like this, you're going to be all in about $18,000. To give you guys a little more context about the fix and flip loan, it is an investor loan, therefore you don't have to bring any bank statements, any W-2, any income taxes to the table or to the loan officer in order to get this deal funded, because it is all based on the property. So these numbers that I'm giving you guys here is for an investment loan, meaning you don't have to make enough per month to get the DTI to qualify like you would with these traditional loans. Now to tie this all back to a real example, here we have a property that's going up for auction in Virginia, and we can see that the opening bid is $75,000, meaning that if we were to bid and win this property for $100,000, we are looking at, again, that $18,000 out-of-pocket cost in order to attain a property like this, which we can see here for the resale values. They are roughly $230,000, $242,000, $235,000. If you guys found this video helpful and you want to learn more, I do have a link to my free Skool community with tons of resources on buying auction properties. Or if you guys have already seen a couple of videos and you're ready to get started and you have some capital to invest, go ahead and book a discovery call with me down below, where we actually go over your investment goals to see whether auction investing is a right fit for you. So go ahead and find that link down below as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video.